Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You know, it is often the items we consider waste that can become our greatest allies in the most demanding situations. Today, I want to share a simple yet incredibly effective project with you. Please do not be so quick to discard those empty tuna cans. With a bit of precision and the right approach, we can transform them into a compact alcohol stove, powerful enough to provide warmth or cook a meal during a camping trip or a harsh winter evening. The first step, and certainly the most vital one for your safety, is a thorough cleaning. You must remove all labels and scrub away every trace of residual oil from the inside. This is a critical detail. If the can is not perfectly clean, the stove will produce unpleasant black smoke and a lingering odor that can ruin your food. Once the can is completely dry, we move to the layout phase. I prefer using a fine-tipped permanent marker to plot the vent holes. These positions are not random. They are the heart of the design, dictating the flame's consistency and the stove's overall fuel efficiency. In any mechanical project, precision is our priority. Rather than using common scissors which can distort the thin metal, I recommend using a small drill or specialized cutting tools for a clean, professional finish. If the holes are too large, the fuel will evaporate far too quickly. If they are too small, there won't be enough oxygen to produce that ideal blue flame. Next, we assemble the two sections. Since these cans are identical in size, I use a pair of pliers to create small, uniform crimps around the rim. This allows the two pieces to slide together for a pressurized, airtight fit. As you can see, the finished stove is remarkably compact. It fits right in the palm of your hand. Regarding fuel, I always prioritize denatured alcohol for its clean and safe burn. To be as precise as possible, I use a syringe to inject exactly 250 milliliters into the body of the stove. A single spark is all it takes. Now, observe closely. The blue flame begins to spread evenly. This is the hallmark of complete combustion. No smoke, no soot, and no odor. To truly test its prowess, I am placing a large pot of water on this tiny device. Despite its modest appearance, it brings the water to a rolling boil in just a few minutes. With a flame this stable, you can easily prepare a hot meal or brew a fresh pot of tea in the middle of the wilderness. This stove is more than just a DIY project. It is a testament to how we can master our environment through simplicity and resourcefulness. I tried turning the stove on and off again. It still works perfectly. You can use this stove for heating, boiling water, or adding a small rack for cooking. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I look forward to reading your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.